Welcome everyone, and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we will be exploring how to add invisible friends in the Imo app. This feature allows you to manage your privacy by controlling who can see your online status. First, open the Imo app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then scroll down and select the option called Security and Privacy. After that, tap on Invisible Friends, which is the section that controls who can view your activity. Next, click on Add Invisible Friends. From here, choose the contacts you want to make invisible so they cannot see your online presence. Finally, once you have selected the contacts, click on Done to save your changes. Adding invisible friends in Imo is a simple way to keep your online activity private. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.